Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really nice corduroy fabric compressed boneless sofa slash bed. And it's a convertible unit, which is absolutely great. I've done a couple of these before and they actually work out extremely well. Now, these do come compressed. This one here actually plumped up almost to full growth after just the first like 30 seconds, which is incredible. Now it will fill out and kind of de-wrinkle and take some of those little divots out as it kind of breathes over the next 48 to 72 hours. But I am liking the fact, my dog likes the fact, but I like the fact that these things are tool-free, meaning that they don't require any assembly aside from just using these that are provided, which are the little kind of, call it, structural supports that hold everything together. And it does this to simply put, I'll show you here on this particular one here. This is a two-part system. This is a base part and a top part. They're both interchangeable, but these pieces simply slide up and through this back piece here like this. And then you're going to stack the other one over the top, including these cushions lined up against it. It's going to turn into a sofa, which is really great. So I'm going to go ahead and put all those together and we'll kind of give you our initial impression. So I've got it all stacked up already. This is extremely comfortable. This corduroy fabric is really nice. These actually just line up against the back pieces here for the support. And that'll actually hold everything together. And it does come with a couple of nice pillows. Loving the color that this is. It's kind of a really nice soft forest green, but they do come with another variety of colors as well. We're going to go ahead and let this 78-inch beast here go ahead and cure out over the next 48 hours. And we'll come back and we'll show you how it looks and then also show you how it converts into a bed. It's been a full 72 hours. I mean, this thing is firm but comfortable. Holds over 1,200 pounds. This thing is going to be a great addition for anybody's home or office. It's a lovely color. It does come in a few different colors, and these pillows have plumped up really nicely as well, so that way you can use them as an accent or if you're going to convert this into a bed. I'm going to kind of show you real quick how easily this is to do. Watch out, little buddy. We're going to go ahead and pull these off here. Again, completely boneless. So all this stuff is just compressed foam, high density foam. And so it's easy to move this stuff out of the way. And then it does have those 4 frame pieces on there. But if you're going to have somebody come over, going to be staying the night, whatever the case is, you just simply have to lift this thing off and put it on the ground like this. Now you've got a bed, or you can have, if you got kids, you can have 2 separate beds. You can do that. And I mean, you've got a full-on bed. I mean, I am 6'2". Completely can starfish out on this thing, man. And it's got plenty of room on here, so this is great. You also got these additional pieces that you can put back on here. You can either use as dividers or you can put them back in the corner. And then you've kind of got a headboard that you can put in there as well. So this just makes it really easy and a super comfortable bed, easily to convert. Again, for anybody's home or business, if you're going to be having it there as a business as well. So really cool, comfortable design. Like the fact that it's here. Thank you guys again for sending it.